हाय एवरीवन, जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी। वेलकम ऑल E2 एस्पिरेंट जो कि इलेक्ट्रिकल ऑफिसर बनना चाहते हैं। लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द मैरीटाइम ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट। सो एंग्लो ईस्टर्न शिपिंग कंपनी which has got around 600 to 700 ships today, they have launched their own college long time back called Anglo Eastern Maritime Academy. So all the students, those who study at Anglo Eastern Maritime Academy, once they get selected over here, they go into Anglo Eastern Shipping Company. They are employed over there. So if as an E2 aspirant you get into Anglo Eastern Maritime Academy, you will definitely be employed on their ships. Let's move ahead. It's a good shipping company. I have worked here myself for 10 years. Now, batch size in June is for 40 cadets, September is for 40 cadets. Pre-sea training is of 4 months, Jai Mata, then you go on ship as a trainee electrical officer, then later on you clear your COC, you become electrical officer, and that is how you move ahead. Fees for boys is 3.55 lakhs, for girls it is 2.85 lakhs. आगे बढ़ते हैं. So eligibility criteria: candidate should hold a bachelor's degree, BE or BTech in electrical engineering, electronics engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, electronics and telecommunication, communication engineering or electronics and instrumentation engineering after attending a course of 4 years duration from a UGC recognized university and or approved by AICTE with minimum 65% aggregate marks and minimum 65% in final year. So average is 65%, more than that, and also in the final year above 65%. Also in class 12th or equivalent have scored a minimum of 65% in PCM or diploma aggregate is 65%. So those who have not done what I would say class 12th, if they have done diploma, then in that also they need aggregate of 65%. For diploma candidates with lateral entry to second year of BTech need to have scored 65% above in the diploma, followed by degree eligibility criteria. So diploma with 65% and degree with 65%. Let's move ahead. English में candidate should have obtained not less than 50% marks in English as a separate subject at either 10th or 12th standard conducted by a recognized board / university. Eligibility criteria: each maximum age should not be exceeding 28 years on the date of commencement of course. Medical standards for eyesight: पहली बात है, you have to go to a decision approved doctor, you have to get your medical checkup done there. If they approve you, fine. But still for eyesight you should not have color blindness. 6/6 is best, but if you have 6/12 in both the eyes it is fine. Maximum you can go up to 6/9 in one eye and 6/18 in the worst eye. Copy it, guys? How to apply? The candidate is supposed to take the Anglo Eastern online test. Please click on the apply now button below given in the description box to register. So in the description box given below you will find the link. Go there and click and apply now. But you will find the easiest way later, which I will tell you about when I talk about the college portal. So anyways, you apply in the online application form, you pay the fees whatsoever it is, you get an email, details of the payment for the online interest test, fine, done. The payment of the fees is done, then you will receive a URL link for confirmation email and you book a seat for the online test. Then candidates can choose their desired test center and date time slot on which they would like to appear and book the seat accordingly. Candidates who pass the online test and psychometric test evaluation will further be called for panel interview in Mumbai or Delhi. So once you clear the online test, you go for the interview in Mumbai or Delhi. Okay, college portal. Now guys, the thing is you might be having a lot of other queries. The best way is go ahead and buy our E2 Excellence package. The link is also given in the description box, or search E2 Excellence package on Merchant Navy Decoder in the same video sequence down below. You will find about it. Then you will become a part of a community where all the E2 aspirants are preparing together and helping each other कि कौन सा form आ गया, how to fill, what to fill and everything. But last but not the least, I was talking about one thing where you can find the link how to apply, and most importantly how good is Anglo Eastern Maritime Academy. So there is this college portal created recently at Merchant Navy Decoder website. You click on this. So you will find a section of ET over here. Click on the ETO section. Once you click over here, you find the highly recommended colleges and other colleges. So you click on the highly recommended colleges. Once you click on the Anglo Eastern highly recommended colleges, you will find overview, eligibility criteria, fees, selection process. So once you click over here, you find the link where you have to click and you have to apply now and then pay the amount for online booking of the test and everything. You will also find syllabus, placement records, everything. But most important thing, you will also find reviews of the college over here. Up till now, we have not started promoting this thing much. So we haven't had any reviews. This one review is given by Merchant Navy Decoder itself. But I hope if you are watching this video since the date is made after 6 months, then maybe you will be having a lot of reviews over here and then you can check those reviews and move ahead. With this, all I can say is Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe Merchant Navy Decoded channel and follow me on Chief Engineer Praneeth. Also, this is my WhatsApp number and this is the email ID where you can send your queries. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.